What's up, guys? This is Yao. You're welcome to another lesson right here on LearnAkan.com. For those of you who are new, this channel is dedicated to helping you to read, write, and speak the Akan language of Ghana. So if you think this is something you'd be interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the little bell notification icon just by the subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new lesson. So in English, there are some, and of course in other languages, there are some expressions that we tend to begin our opinions with. All right, so in English we have, for example, I think that, I suppose that, I believe that, and all those. Today, I want us to look at such opinion expressions, but in Chi, right? And it starts right after this. Welcome back. So let's just go ahead and start with the first one, and we have Misusu se. Misusu se. Misusu se. Misusu se. And this se will be running through almost all of them. So let's just get its meaning out of the way. This se is the that. Okay. So in English, you say, I suppose that, I think that. So that's that is the se. Okay. So you'll be seeing it across almost all of them. So we have Misusu se. Now, me is I, right? You can change this me, which is a subject pronoun, with any other pronoun or noun, all right? And then we have susu, and susu literally means to measure, okay? To measure or to estimate, all right? So we have Misusu se. So I can say, for example, Misusu se obedru ho nonkron. Misusu se obedru ho nonkron. Misusu se obedru ho nonkron. All right. Now we can also change. You know, this one, the susu, is a verb, right? We also have a noun form of this susu, and that is nsusuye. Nsusuye. Okay, and this is supposition. Okay, estimation. All right. So we can also say minsusuye ne se. Minsusuye ne se. Minsusuye ne se. My supposition, my estimation is that. So we can say, for example, minsusuye ne se obeba. Minsusuye ne se obeba. Minsusuye ne se obeba. Let's go to the next one. We have mejene se. Mejene se. Mejene se. All right. Mejene se. So again, we have a verb here, which is jene, and jene means to think. All right, to think. So we have mejene se. I think that. All right. So we can say, for example, mejene se yen chain. Mejene se yen chain. Mejene se yen chain. So again, this is the verb format. We also have the noun format, just like we did with the suppose and the supposition. Okay, so this is mejene se, I think that. But we also have majene yeme se. Majene yeme se. Majene yeme se. And anytime you see an apostrophe separating a pronoun and a noun, it signals that the noun, the reference of the noun, is being possessed by the reference of the pronoun. Okay, so if I say majene, or let's use something else. So if I say mediane, okay, mediane, mediane is food. So together we have mediane, my food. All right. If you are lost on this, please check out the lesson on possessive adjectives. Very important. So back to the line, majene yeme se. Ajene is the mind. Okay, ajene, the mind. So majene is my mind. So it's like saying my mind is that. So this is like my thoughts or my thinking is that. Madwene ye me say. Okay, so we can say, for example, madwene ye me say obetumi aye. 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 For the next one, we have mekase. 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 So pay attention. The ka here is non-nasal. If you make it nasal, if you say mekase, if you say mekase, that is I said that. Okay, but this is non-nasal. So we have mekase. 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 And for this one, sometimes you also hear it as mefise. 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 And this is you saying, I thought that. So this I thought that you use when you say, for example, I thought you said he wasn't home. Okay, I thought you said he left. All right, that one. So I can say, for example, mekase now se kofi nifie. 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 All right, or I can say na me fi se obeko. Na me fi se obeko. Na me fi se obeko. Next we have eye me se. Eye me se. Eye me se. All right. Eye me se. Eye me se. All right. Eye me se. So we can say eye me se unto me. Eye me se unto me. Eye me se unto me. Okay. Next we have meka se. Meka se. Meka se. So this ka is nasal. Okay, and that is to say. All right. So we have meka se. Meka se. So I can say, for example, meka se yento yembo ase. 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 Okay? Meka se yento yembo ase. Next we have eka menkwa. Eka menkwa. Eka menkwa. This ka is not nasal. Okay, this ka means to remain, okay, or to be left with. All right, so we have eka, not nasal. All right, eka, and then we have me, I, and then unku is alone. Okay, so eka menkwa, left to me alone. Okay, eka menkwa. Eka menkwa. So by way of example, we can say eka menkwa nka mekase yenko. Eka menkwa nka mekase yenko. You see the mekase, right? So you have eka menkwa nka mekase yenko. Eka menkwa nka mekase yenko. So the next one we have se wubisa mia. 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 So the verb here is bisa, and bisa means to ask. All right, bisa, to ask. And then the se at the front and then the a at the end, we use that to express if clauses. Okay, so when you say if Kofi comes, I will leave, that if is what we have as the se and the a at the end. Okay, you can use both, or you can use just the a. So I can do away with the se and just say ubi Samia, and this will still be an if clause. Okay, ubi Samia or se ubi Samia. So we can say, for example, se ubi Samia meka se akosua na owia sikano. Se ubi Samia meka se akosua na owia sikano. Se ubi Samia meka se akosua na owia sikano. So again, we have the meka se in here. Okay, se ubi Samia meka se akosua na owia sikano. So the next one we have mejidi se. Mejidi se. Mejidi se. Mejidi se. Mejidi se. So jidi is a phrasal verb and it means to believe. Okay, to believe. Jidi, to believe. So we are able to form a noun out of this, and then we have jidi, belief. Okay, so we have mejidi se, I believe that. So for example, I can say mejidi se obeton fie no. Mejidi se obeton fie no. Mejidi se obeton fie no. Okay, mejidi se obeton fie no. So ton is to sell. Okay, the verb to sell, and then we have fie, which is a house. So mejidi se obeton fie no. So the next one we have minim se. This is when you're sure. Okay, so you have minim se. Minim se. Minim se. So you have nim, which is the verb to know. Okay, so minim se, I know that. Okay, so this nim, again, this is why we have nimdie as knowledge. Okay, the noun knowledge is nimdie. All right, so you have minim se, I know that. So by way of example, I can say minim se enye nedia. Minim se enye nedia. Minim se enye nedia. So this nedia corresponds in English as his or hers. Okay, the possessive pronoun. All right, if you missed the lesson on possessive pronouns, please click on the link to go check it out. Very important. So we have minim se enye nedia. I know that it's not his or hers. So the next one we have se minsra. Se minsra. Se minsra. Se minsra. Se minsra. Se minsra. So the verb here is suru, and suru means to be afraid. Okay, to be afraid. Suru. So this one has been made negative with the negative marker. So we have se minsra, and I told you the se and the a at the end is what we use to express if clauses. And I said you could use both, or you can do away with the se but keep the a at the end, and you will still have your if clause. So while I can say se minsra, I can also say minsra, and it will mean the same thing. All right, minsra or se minsra. So I can say, for example, se minsra meka se omuadie. Se minsra meka se omuadie. Se minsra meka se omuadie. All right, se minsra meka se omuadie. And for the last one we have medie. 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 And if you don't know by now, one interesting thing about 2-letter words and 3-letter words in Chi is that most of them, if not all, come with several meanings. Okay, several, especially the 2-letter words. So this dear that you have here can have several other meanings, which we'll get to, but within this context, this means as for. Okay, as for. So if you put this dear after a noun, a pronoun, or a phrase, you'll be saying as for the referent of that noun, pronoun, or phrase. So within this context, we placed it after the pronoun me. So we have me dear, as for me. Okay, me dear, me dear. So I can say, for example, me dear, mempe insekru. Me dear, mempe insekru. Me dear, mempe insekru. And insekru is synonymous with konkonsa. Okay, both meaning gossip. Okay, so me dear, mempe insekru. Me dear, mempe insekru. So this is where we end today's lesson. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope to see you around when I post my next video. But until then, do stay safe